Today on Do It Yourself Ken, we're going to replace the rear brake rotors on a 1997 Mitsubishi Montero. For this job you're going to need a 17mm socket, a breaker bar, a ratchet, a hammer, some brake cleaner, and a new brake rotor. So the first step is to remove the caliper bracket. For this you're going to use the 17mm socket on a breaker bar and loosen up the caliper bracket bolts. There's one and there's two. Now we're going to finish removing the caliper bolts with a ratchet and the 17mm socket. After you remove the bolts, you want to remove the caliper and the bracket. So the next step is to remove the rotor. So the rotor can really get stuck on here. So what you want to do is use your hammer and really bang around the rotor to loosen it up. So like I said, this could get really stuck, so you really want to bang with the hammer. You could tell our rotor is loose there, but that's because we really banged it before starting the video. So I kind of just don't want to stress enough that this could really get stuck and you really want to hit it with the hammer. With the rotor loose, you want to remove it. Next step is you want to take your brake cleaner and spray some on your new rotor and use a cloth to wipe it off. Now you want to install your new brake rotor. Next step is to reinstall your caliper bracket. Now you want to screw in your caliper bracket bolts back in. Then you want to finish tightening the bolts with your 17mm socket. And that's how you replace the rear brake rotors on a 1997 Mitsubishi Montero. Hope you found this video helpful. Save time and stress working on this car by subscribing to the channel or clicking the playlist link below. Take care.